Hello everyone! So, today we are looking at a toy that should be very noisy, but it isn't. It's completely silent. So, let's see what's happening inside. So, this is the toy in question. It should be very noisy, but it only blinks. I was saying there is no sound coming off of it, but I don't know if you can hear. Yeah, I can hear a very faint sound. Let's open it up and see what's happening. First things first, let's check the batteries. Yeah, it's playing, but it's playing very faintly. And we will check what kind of power do we have. Voltage DC on the meter. All the batteries to the same side. And first one, very good. Second one, very good. And the third one is 1.36. But yeah, the batteries should be okay. Let's just retest. Nope, same thing. Very faint noise from the speakers, and we will need to open it up. So, fun part. Let's take it apart. So that's all the screws out. Let's see how this thing opens. At first glance, there's a big problem here. Yeah, this must have suffered a big hit because this speaker has unglued itself from the magnet unglued itself from the speaker, and it was pressing against the coil. So let's see if we can do something about this. So this is the paper. We need to check with the multimeter if the coil is still okay. So we will go to resistance in ohms and let's check. Okay, 7.5. It's close enough to the 8 ohms stated in the back of the magnet. So we will try to find a way to re-glue this on the speaker. So I think just by carefully placing it over the correct place, I think just by doing this, whoops, it's falling apart. Yeah, I think just by doing this, that the speaker will start to play in a stronger way. But yeah, now I need to hold on to everything because it's trying to fall apart. So let's hold it upside down, put the buttons in place. Okay, put the buttons in place. Yes. Let's put the batteries in and see if just putting the magnet in place solves the problem, but we will need to glue it. Yeah, it makes more noise now. Let's see. Yep. It works. I hope this doesn't hit any content match or something. Stop. Well, shut up. Well, let's glue the speaker and reassemble everything. So to glue the speaker back, I will use my trusty ultra unique, I don't know how you say it, but let's use this and make this speaker happy. So I need to pull it back apart. I think it's empty. Let's see if something comes out. No! What's wrong with this? Yeah, as usual, super glue got itself dry inside. Let's see if this is not going to blow up. Okay. Now we have glue. We need to be sure that the glue won't flow into the coil direction. So I think I've put too much glue, and I'll try to clean it from the inside out. Let's see how it goes. And now we will put, whoops, this thing magnetizes a lot. Yeah, so while this thing is gluing, I think I will put the batteries in to test if it's gluing in the correct place. So I'm always afraid to work with super glue because of those situations. So yeah. Well, let's let it dry and test it again. So fade, fade, come on, fade. Let's make a noisy reassemble. No! Whoever was here before cross-threaded this. It's working, fully working, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!